guys, is try number 2 of trying to not get last. Well, auto acceleration is when you can't use the joystick. Have to win at 12 random stages, so we have to end with all items. So we can't just go like, oh, we get the bullet bill or they get the coin. We can't do that. It's just all items. Okay, race number 1 of try number 2, Ninja Hideaway. Oh no, this one's gonna be bad. Okay, let's get a boost. Yeah, both of us get a boost. Item box. Banana! Oh my gosh! I just bananaed my other guy. Another banana hit? Oh my gosh! This is banana mayhem. We can't lose at the first track. Why did I have to banana? I can't believe it. I bananaed my teammate. Now I just have to wait. Oh my, no! 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 Did she even finish? No! Oh my gosh, she made it. She made it out. Oh my gosh. I didn't know it'd be this hard. No, she's got a bullet, and now she's very behind. Again? Lightning. How is she gonna get out of 12? She's literally does not look like she's anywhere close to getting back. She's not even done her second lap just because that darn. Oh my gosh, so glad. Mushroom! I can't believe it, but Birdo is actually getting somewhere. Oh my gosh, he just said, right when I said Birdo's actually getting somewhere. I thought I would be stuck forever, but that means the challenge is done again. Okay, because this challenge feels impossible, let's just shorten it a little bit. Oh my gosh, why didn't I hit quit? So let's do 8 races. I have to finish 8 races. And this one doesn't count because we obviously failed. Okay, quit. Okay, we have to go again. Try number 3. Try number 3. Try number 3. We got 8 races. We gotta be 8 random races because they're really random. Okay, try number 3. Hope we have more luck this time. Try number 3, we're starting on Mario Kart Stadium, a beginner's track. This is probably one where we're not gonna lose because it's a beginner's track. No, we missed the, oh, but we're getting the speed boost. Oh, that's what we're getting. Okay, back at Central Field. We missed the item box again, but we're doing pretty well only auto excelling. I don't think the computers are gonna be nice to us though. Oh my gosh, we got a bullet! Oh my gosh, well that makes my other guy bad. But oh my gosh, Pink Birdo's just doing fine. It's Blue Birdo we've got to worry about. I can't believe we're doing this good on a track with so many tight turns. Don't make this be like Music Park again. Because you guys know how Music Park went. Okay, star. Oh my! We just barely hit. It did not hit my other guy. Okay. And the stadium of Mario Kart. I bet everybody's gonna try to snipe me because you know I'm snipeable. When my patterns. No! Please don't! Oh my gosh! 11th! Oh my, that was so close! Mario! Mario, take that! It's on your own stadium and you lost. Well, Birdo got second last. Take that, Mario. Take that. Okay, Mount Wario is our second track. On try number 3. Oh no! I mistimed the... No. Oh, this is gonna be great. Unless Mount Wario finally goes well. Come on. Keep auto-excelling. Come on. Come on. No. My other guy missed the item box. Birdo! 2 Birdos just flying around. Come on. Let us get a good placement. Yo! Birdo just got sniped. Mario. Come on! Wario! Wario Stadium! Yes! No! Golden mushies! Oh my god! Inkatoon! Come on! You know you want to. Oh my! Birdo! Mario, eat the dust! Fifth and 7th. Not too bad. Now I'm in 9th. Let's go. 3rd race of try number 3. 3rd race of try number 3 is Boo Lake. I played this one when the 3rd DLC course came out, so I know it really well. Okay. Oh yeah. Bomb. It just flew off the level. There goes the bomb, the perfectly line bomb. Rip bomb. Rip bomb that I just yeeted. Birdo, you've got to do something on Boo Lake. Oh no, Morden. Don't ya? Dude. Morden! Morden, don't you? You better not, Morden. Yeah, crazy 8. Morden, get away! Wham, wham! Mario's a star and he fell. Birdo gets a star. There goes Birdo. I've got ink on my screen while Birdo just put a banana. Come on! Yes. Seventh and 10th. Seventh and 10th. Birdo, normal Birdo is still in second last. Fourth race, 12, a little bit more to go. See you in the next episode.